where you get the turbulent winds and the ocean looks more like an angry washing machine. This nice even swells. I think some surfers are out in Manasquan, so it's that type of morning. The good news is, again, that heavy, steady rain is done. What is not the great news is the sunshine we're seeing right now, not going to last all day. We're still in the influence, under the influence of that area of low pressure, so we could see some spotty showers again today. 49 at Central Park, 50 in Islip, 48 in Poughkeepsie, so it's going to be cool, breezy, and stay that way. 57 degrees by noontime. Again, keep that umbrella handy or at least a rain jacket just in case of a passing shower. Clouds more than anything, and then through tonight, 54 degrees at 10 o'clock, on our way back down into the 40s by tomorrow morning. All right, we are dealing with a lot from what happened over the weekend, down a lot to navigate around.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a tough go this morning if you are heading out the door right.
Rain is gone for now. What we're counting on is the cool 40s and 50s right now, and that chance of a spotty shower, yes, today. We have Trumbull, Connecticut as an example. Can't rule it out for the next few days, and in fact, maybe even on into the early part of the weekend. But I have some better news, I promise, in that 10-day forecast. All ahead. From top to bottom, and we go from Canada to the Caribbean Sea here with the cloud deck all the way back into the tropics. But yes, it was a massive system. It still is, although we're not seeing it produce severe weather right now. That's the great news. And the heavy rainfall that we saw out of this, that's done too. We can still see, though, the influence of the spin of it. So that's our weather story the next few days. Not much out there now. If you're seeing anything, it's maybe a sprinkle. You're probably getting in some of that sunshine too. But unfortunately, can't rule out showers due to the influence of that same system for the next few days, and that's also going to keep us on the cool side. High temperatures staying well below average. We're talking upper 50s, maybe near 60 degrees, but I do have some warmer weather just around the corner, and I think for the first time it feels like in a while where I can say it's going to be a nice weekend. It's really shaping up to be that way as it looks right now. Certainly looks pretty outside currently. The view from Earth Cam is a beautiful one from Midtown with that sun coming up. We do have some clouds, but it's cool. 49 degrees and a bit of a breeze from time to time. And I definitely recommend just tucking in that umbrella as you head out the door just in case. The clouds will be back and stay put through the afternoon, and a spotty shower can't be ruled out from the afternoon, evening, even into tonight, with temperatures staying in the 50s for this evening. So if you're going to some of the baseball games we've got in town, keep that in mind. 48 degrees overnight, and it's a similar setup for tomorrow. Highs only in the 50s, a bit of a breeze. With mostly cloudy skies, a spotty shower is possible. So when the island, that's because the steady heavy rain has moved on. What we're left with some clouds. 49 at Central Park, White Plains too, so it's on the cool side. 50 in Islip, we're at 48 in Trenton, Clinton now at 45 degrees, but we can't quite get out of the grip of the bigger system. So as this wraps around here the next few days, occasional chances for some showers. So I would keep the rain jacket and that umbrella handy just in case. Temperature-wise, we're not going to recover too much. 57 degrees by 1 o'clock. Again, a spotty afternoon shower or evening or overnight or into tomorrow. You kind of get the idea. And a brisk southwest wind today, about 5 to 15 miles per hour. All right, we still have a lot of the leftover headaches due to all of that heavy rain from the weekend. Adele, it's really making a tough way to navigate around some places.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be tough getting around, especially if you're
definitely a break. And under normal circumstances, this would be a terrible forecast, but we do have some spotty showers, so at least it's not the steady rainfall as you can see around the tri-state. Mid and upper 50s later this afternoon, breezy from Long Beach, Hauppauge, Westport to Passaic. And it's not our only chance for showers this week, but you see the trend toward the weekend downward. So that warm up that goes along with it, I'll show you in the 10-day.
Thanks so much.
The car and the 10 may be a little bit breezy on the cool side, and yes, still looking at the chance for some showers this evening. You can see our temperatures staying into the mid-50s. So between now and then, once again, you can't rule out some showers. Here's the good news. This is not going to add up to what we've seen over the last few days. And in fact, while we're going to be in sort of the stuck in a rut with the shower chances the next several days, and I'll show you this as we go through time here, tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, into Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, and into Wednesday evening. You see that swirl around, just enough instability, some spotty showers. This isn't going to add up to very much. We're talking maybe a quarter of an inch over the next few days, so it's not going to make any flood concerns any worse. In fact, we're starting to see some of those go down already, but it is going to keep our temperatures down. It's enough to keep us into the 50s the next few days. So again, no surprise when you look at the temperature outlook for the first week and a half into May, not really seeing any warm signal for us, but that changes when we shift that time time a little bit more into mid-May. We start to get on the other side of this and likely seeing temperatures at or above average, and we do have that in the forecast. All right, so this morning we're getting a peak of sunshine along with some of the clouds. I would say tuck that umbrella in just to have it, along with the jacket. As Tracy mentioned, it's chilly out there, 49 degrees and a bit of a breeze. That'll continue this afternoon. 57 degrees by 1 o'clock, not much better for the afternoon, and count on some sprinkles or at least some showers coming through the next couple days, and that includes tonight. 48 degrees for the low and another cool gray shower kind of day tomorrow. 56 for the high, but you can see a lot of places most of the day we're going to be spending in the upper 40s, or at least feeling like